In this video, I'll be showing you how to fade in and out audio with Premiere Pro. Start by dragging your audio into a sequence. Drag the audio side scroll points closer together to enlarge the audio layers. Move the playhead marker to roughly where you want the audio to fade in or out. Drag the bottom slider points closer to zoom into your selected area on the timeline. On the audio layer, you will notice a white line going from left to right. Select the pen tool from the side, or click P on your keyboard. Click on the line where you want the fade to start. Click on the line again where you want the fade to end. You will now have 2 points. If you are fading in the audio, then drag the first point down. If you are fading out the audio, then drag the second point down. The lower the point, the quieter the audio will be. You will only need to lower the volume to between -40 and -80 for the fade effect. Holding Shift once you've started moving a point will keep it in the same position. To adjust the fade length, you can click and drag the points to bring them closer together or further apart. Your audio in Premiere Pro will now fade in or out.